or an. Hello children. You guys studied 5 vowels and 21 consonants in last class. I hope you understand. Today we learn use a and an. A and an always use in singular number object and living thing. Let's learn use a. A use in the sound of consonants. For example, a book, a chair, a ball, a dog. Let's learn use an. An use in the sound of vowels. For example, an ink pot, an apple, an umbrella, an elephant. Now, tell me what can we use in these words? That's right. An insect. A tree. Hope you understand use of a and an. Next chapter is this and that we will learn about this when we meet again. Nice learning kids. Good day.